Hey folks, I'm the Sealamp in actually Sandy City, California. For a long time I thought this was part of Seaside, but actually it's a small town, barely like 400 people, called Sand City. When you come here, to parking is really limited. You may do some parking on the street. Down Highway 1's right there, not too far from Highway 1, and for the beaches. Personally, not much shopping or walking distance. You're better off just get your stuff, go to 7-Eleven, not that far down the street, down that way. Maybe a quarter mile down that way is near 7-Eleven in the shopping center. Or you get stuff delivered. But my best bet, you want to get some, beer and soda or stuff like that. You're better off just go to 7-Eleven down the street a little ways. There's not much down that way, like food wise or shopping. I spent here 2 nights. I spent like $100 and something a night. Decent place. Not much of a view, but I think that outskirts of Seaside and Sand City border right here. I don't know why they call it a city. It's barely has 300, barely 400 people. The office right there. Rooms. Parking very limited. Gives you more do your most of your parking on the street. Somewhat busy street right here, expressway. So right here is the machines. Mostly cook for $1. Ice machine. I get you laundry here too. Outside. Kind of itchy deer while you're outside. Not much protection. And once again, parking is very limited. Not much of view. We'll go upstairs. So very next door, you see the beach. A little bit of you see the beach, the highway's blocking it. Next door is a bunch of, I guess it's a total yard. Bunch of cars, got an accident. Can't really see the beach. You see the sand dunes, barely. Well, you're not far from Monterey. You see this one road that goes right to Monterey. I think you'd be at the Aquarium or the Monterey like in 50 minutes. You just take this road here. It goes right towards Monterey. So this is the upper view. Because right over there, there's most of the smoke going on. You barely see the water right down the way because from first you have the smoke going on. Maybe a little bit of fog, but it's mostly smoke. I mean, I give them credit, they do a good job keeping the place clean. I'll give them that credit. Exactly. Good. So have you stayed before? Like or comment, let me know. Have you stayed before? Any hotel stories, horror stories? From the comment section, like and subscribe. Help the channel grow. So yeah, this is the view. How much of a busy street. The streets are kind of like a little funky. I don't know, the design of the streets kind of funky. Yeah, we just barely, no vacancies. So the road's kind of funky. There's no like cabins. If you stay for a long time, there's not really cabins. You may go to a dollar store, buy some hangers or something, but there's no really cabins already. No desk, except for the table right there. The view is of a junkyard or a tow yard. You see the Sand City, flag or where they meet, the Lion Club or the Rotary Club. We got 2 beds. The beds are comfortable. There's no clock, no alarm clock or anything. It's kind of weird. I think they should put a desk right there or a space or something for long-termers.
Yeah, something.
But it's kind of weird. There's no cabinets to put your clothes.
They got some good channels, though.
Good channels. Last night was quiet. No complaints. Neighbors were good. It was like they bought a bunch of Jack and Box stuff. You know, they had like party last. Bathroom is decent. Kind of small. But the thing is outside. The bathroom next to the microwave. You get a microwave. You do get a refrigerator. Ice machine, of course, I show you downstairs. There's some machines, but walking distance, not really much, really. 7-Eleven is like a car mile, I think.
Yeah.
So if you do come here, once again, I was saying earlier, you have to buy your stuff before showing up. When you do show up, parking is very limited, so it's mostly be street parking.
The people here are weirdos.
Yeah, the guy's like weird. Look,
They want to follow you everywhere and know what you're doing at all times. So if you stay here, be prepared to be watched like you're in prison.
Yep. Yeah, yeah, I think about buying some like protectors for like hidden cameras or microphones in this room.
Yeah, I wouldn't doubt it.
So you see her again, or what do you think?
I don't know. Probably not.
Or not?
Yeah, I don't like people watching me like that.
Yeah, that was kind of creepy, weird. So I don't know. It's kind of weird right here. They should put a desk right here. So it's just weird. I don't know. To me, it's just really awkward, weird. I mean, even the stairs trying to get into this room is kind of weird setup.
Yeah, it's weird all the way around.
So once again, please like and subscribe. Tell me anything heavy. Can get hotel stories, haunted stories, or stuff like that. So subscribing us will help us a lot. Liking us will help us a lot. Comment. Tell us what we could improve on or other places we should check out. Anything else to say about this place?
Good to go.
Good to go. All right. Thank you. Bye.